Hey everyone, look, this is what the way that we're gonna do our video this week is gonna be amazing, guys. Last week, this is what I told you about GBP JPY. Look, I told everyone the market was gonna go up because it was still in a buy trend, but still gonna push up. Then from there, market was gonna do a pullback. Look at how beautiful that pullback it is, right on it, right where the previous multiple time frame is. And then from there, I said the market was gonna continue in a buy trend. Boom! Hey, that is GBP JPY. So I'm gonna give you this week as well, but I just want to show you so you guys can understand. Look at the next pair that I gave you on last week, Euro USD. Here is the proof. Look at that. I told you the market was gonna continue selling down. Then market was gonna push back up all the way, retesting our previous multiple time frame. Right on it. Look at that. Boom! And from there, what did I say? Market was gonna continue selling down because look, Euro USD, guys, is selling. That's exactly what I told you. The other pair that I gave you guys was USD JPY. Pay close attention. Look at that. What did I say last week? I said market's gonna push up. Right on it. Look at that. From there, market was gonna give us a pullback. Look, retesting our previous multiple time frame. Right on it. And from there, what happened? Market was gonna resume back to business. Guys, this is trading multiple time frame. This is amazing. What do you think? I told you. So this is how we trade here on our system. So let me give you this coming week, guys, because I want you guys to see what this week is gonna do. All right, so let me so I'm gonna do it with you, right on it, live with you, so you can learn, so you can master. Now guys, get ready for this coming week. I'm gonna give you, I just switch one pair. I'm going to give you gold because gold is very important. But the very first pair that we're gonna review today is gonna be Euro USD. We're gonna do the exact same thing. We're gonna be using multiple time frame. Always pay attention to the dashboard, 4 hours and daily time frame. That's how I determine what the time frame or the market is gonna be doing in that time frame, because using 4 hours and daily time frame, guys, is very important. So now look at here. So we're gonna be doing it a little bit different. We're gonna make a box right on it on 4 hours and daily time frame. From there, we automatically know what's going on, guys. Just by looking at the dashboard in 4 hours and daily time frame, it's telling us that we are in a what? We are in a sell position. That's what you are seeing. Look at that one. It's red. It's red. Both are red. So the market is dropping. So what are we gonna do next? Now we're gonna go to real data to see if it's true. So this is what I'm seeing here. So what we need to pay attention is we need to pay attention to a multiple time frame. It's right on it. Look at the TW sniper entry. It's right on it. Look at the stairs, guys. The stair is all red here, telling us the market here is selling. So Euro USD, it is in a what? It's in a sell trend. That's it. Now, this is my understanding for this coming week. Market here will be giving us a small retracement, retesting this previous high here, and then from there market will be dropping, continuing that sell position all the way down to our previous multiple time frame here. The market is gonna recover and do a small pullback, but overall Euro USD, it is selling. All right, so the next pair that I'm gonna give you guys real quick is gonna be GBP JPY. Pay close attention to the dashboard, guys. When you ever see the dashboard 4 hours and daily time frame contradicting, look at the difference. There's two different colors in here, letting you know the 4 hours is in a buy and the daily time frame is in a sell. So that represents the lower time frame is doing a pullback. So let's go ahead and check the real data so you can see it for yourself. Look at here. What is the original trend? Multiple time frame is here. TW sniper entry is right on it. Look at here. So but what we are getting here is a pullback. Look at here, look at multiple time frame is retracing and letting us know the market here is in a pullback. So how far is this pullback is gonna go? In my opinion, it's gonna come back and retest this previous highs here, which is our previous multiple time frame, and boom, market will be selling down. It most likely is gonna come back, guys, to our 50 Fibonacci level, but to be safe, I just gonna leave it on the 38.2, and the market is gonna do a pullback, but most likely it's gonna come back to the 50. So if you agree with me, let me know in the comment below, guys. If there's a pair that you do want me to review or do a perfect weekly analysis, let me know. And guys, I'm planning to do a live trading show maybe on Monday or Tuesday sometime this coming week, so we can review it. So I haven't done that for a very long time, and so I'm just gonna do that. Okay, all right, so let me show you the next pair that I think the market will be blowing like crazy, and that is going to be gold. I haven't done the analysis on gold for a long time, but look at the dashboard, guys. The dashboard will not lie. Sentence is exact same thing what we just saw previously. Look at the 4 hours and daily time frame is contradicting, so that means the colors here is contradicting. The daily time frame is pushing up, but look at what happened. The 4 hours all the way to 1 minute is contradicting, it's going down. So that means the 4 hours all the way to 1 minute, the market is in a pullback. But what are you gonna do? Right, so I'm gonna trade with the larger time frame. 4 hours, the weekly and monthly are going bullish. You need to go bullish, but right now the market is doing a pullback. Now let me show you the real data so you can see it. Right, so that's what I want you to understand. Look at that. So what are we seeing here? Look at here, guys. Multiple time frame is right on it. Look at the TW sniper entry. It's just commencing, guys. Gold is gonna be pushing up. Look at that. So this is what I think the market will do this week, guys. Market is still gonna come back, retest our what? Look at the Fibonacci level, 50 Fibonacci level. From there, market is gonna make a retracement, retesting our mid trend line in here, which is gonna be your 23.6 Fibonacci, and boom, market will be going up. So that what I think gold is gonna do. What do you think? What do you think so far, guys? Did any of this week analysis that I gave you today make sense? Let me know. Let me know. Hopefully, guys, don't blow your account, guys. Trade with rules. If you don't know how to trade, let me know. We can do a one-on-one if you want. All right, so thank you, guys, and hopefully you make money this coming week. So stay tuned for our live trading class that we're gonna do this coming week. Okay, so hasta la vista, baby. Boom, let's trade with Team with Urban. Bye bye.